If they ask you for 4 marks to write the process of DNA replication, how are you meant to write it? You say, I'll be breaking hydrogen bonds between the opposite 2 strands of DNA. So step 1, you'll be using this helicase enzyme to break through the hydrogen bonds in between the DNA strands. Step 2, you'll make new hydrogen bonds. So you break and then you make new hydrogen bonds. So the adenine here pairs up with thymine, the guanine with cytosine. This occurs naturally just because that the nucleotides can pair up easily with one another by means of these hydrogen bonds. Next, we're going to be using the DNA polymerase. What would the DNA polymerase's role to be? This is going to make the phosphodiester bonds. It will make a covalent, strong bonds other than the weak hydrogen bonds that we have in the opposite nucleotides. So DNA polymerase will join the adjacent nucleotides by means of strong phosphodiester bonds. Finally, the product. We will be making 2, be careful with the wording, you make 2 new DNA, not strands, you make 2 new DNA molecules. Each molecule is made of an old strand and a new strand. In other words, DNA replication is semi-conservative.